How to find your lost Roku remote using your TV. I'm going to show you how you can use the built-in remote finder feature to quickly locate your device and avoid the hassle of tearing apart your living room. So to get started, walk over to your Roku TV and locate the physical power button, which is typically found either directly underneath the logo, on the side, or on the back of the television frame. Press this button once to power on your screen and navigate to the Roku Home dashboard. Once the main menu appears, press that same physical power button again to cycle through the TV system menu. Keep tapping the button until you see the Find Remote option highlighted on the screen. Select this option, and your remote will instantly begin to emit a loud, consistent chime. Carefully listen for the sound. Follow the noise to where your remote has slipped behind cushions or under furniture. And once you have it in your hands, press any button on the remote to immediately silence the alert. If the remote does not chime, verify that it is a remote with a remote finder feature and that it still has enough battery power, or ensure your TV is connected to the same network as your remote. Following these steps ensures you never waste time hunting for your remote again.